Hi, it's Harjasset and today I'll show you how to use Pro Mode on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first open the camera mode. Okay, and now select right here More and then Expert. So right here we have an ISO that we can automatically manually change, and this is a sensitivity to light. We have a shutter speed. We have a white balance that changes, as you can see, the color of our photo, and focus that also we can change manually. Here we have zoom, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.